Today we're going to be replacing a hydraulic line on this 320C excavator. We ran it the other day and got a leak. We're just running that R right there, as you can see. Got all the transmission oil, so we got to put in a blue line for the transmission. And it holds 38 gallons of fluid, but that'll be another video if you want to see that. But the line we're going for today is right there. It's a pretty nasty spot. After it broke, the whole pan down there is filled up with that hydraulic fluid. And then it rained that evening before we got the hose, the oil and everything to fix it, so it's a pretty nasty mess now. Rained over 6 inches. So, anyways, I'm gonna get the tools out and get after it. Couldn't find a place to prop the phone up to show you, but I took these 4 bolts out right here on this panel. Take that off there. And go onto that hose right here. So, give us a way we can swing a wrench. But, try to get those bolts busted loose on that bottom part. At least get them loosened up to where we can do it pretty quick. With the wrenches that I have with me, I was able to bust the top 3, well, the top 2, and then the bottom one on this side close to me, but it doesn't look like this has been cleaned out in a while. So I think to get a good angle on it and not get my wrench nasty, I'm gonna have to dig all this mud out of here, and there's really nothing to do that with other than my hand, I guess. Oh, and it's pretty deep. This might not be as hard as I thought to get it off of there. Well, it's hard to hold my phone and do this, so let me get this cleaned out. I'll start up the video again. Spot out. Got the ratchet hooked on there, and just gonna have it stuck on the way to. The only way I'm gonna be able to bust it. Pretty tough. Once again, with my phone. Let me bust it. I got it busted loose. I'm gonna take the impact here and run them the rest of the way out, and then hopefully I can take that hose and bend it up here, maybe plug it between these hoses or something and hold it upright so it doesn't just dump out all the fluid. Alright, so I'm going to have to be pretty quick about this, so it's not going to be on video. Get the line off. I'm going to poke it through there. Nothing even leaked out, so that's good. But, see, I got the 2 bolts in there. This little thing. Make sure that that collar's like that, because the seats are around the line. Like so. And then, pretty much I didn't have to take this bolt out because it's the bottom one. Not all the way out, you gotta loosen it up. But idea is to set it in there like so. You can get that one started, that bottom one. And then you can set your line in how you need it. And then take this one, put your cap on top. That butts up on either bolt that's already in there, and then you put your new bolt through there, stick it on, tighten it up. So we're going to put that on before we undo this end down here. So I'll get that done. Alright, so I got that line in there, and I just got those bolts hand tight. It's just sitting right here right now because I'm going to have to move it back and bend it and swivel it under these and follow to here, we got a disconnect here. Take this off, and I forgot to tell you, you gotta look and be careful with O-rings. Sometimes they'll pack the O-rings in these lids on that other end, like in that white cap that seats inside the hose, but sometimes they're loose inside of these. So, and this one's just from Cat. So I'm gonna go ahead and undo this one and see if any fluid comes out, and if it is, I'm gonna try to hurry up and put this one on. But so actually I'll just go ahead and take this off. Be prepared. Let me get this hose loose and I'll show you the O-ring in there if it's not just blowing out. And nothing came out, but there's the O-ring, the pink O-ring. We get a pick, pull it out, and put our new O-ring in. Throw the new line on. Alright, well, the new line plugged in. And all that's left to do now is add a little fluid to it. Start it up, move it around, check the fluid again, add it if needed, and put the lid back on. Back right door. Here's our little sight glass. Obviously, we want it to be in the middle, but when you move your boom and everything up and down, this goes up and down. So we're just gonna get it up into the bottom of this glass and set it up, you know, set it like that where the bucket's flat on the ground too, and then we'll check it again. Fuel cap for your hydraulic oil. So stick the funnel down here. Don't do that. That's why you don't need to be filming with your phone and trying to do this. At 11 gallons, we've hit that bottom line, so we're going to start it up, move it for just a minute or two, and then set the boom up and come back and check it again. Windy heck today, so it's not the best day to be doing this, but it's always windy in Oklahoma. So we got it set up, kind of how we like it. At the midway point, and it's completely gone out of the sight glass. So let's add some more oil. 16 gallons got us close enough. We're gonna run it for a few minutes, check it again, and then we'll probably have to add a gallon most likely, but it's good to go. So probably ended up being 16-17 gallons, you can figure. But time to clean the tools up and put that tray on and go run it for a bit. Those are trash, but thanks for watching, guys. There's our hose that we had to replace. No leaks, got the top put back on. Got a whole bunch of other videos on my channel, so please subscribe and like this video. Thanks for watching.